Hey guys, welcome back to Fatma's World. So inside today's video, I'm going to be doing a science experiment. This is my favorite one. Well, I haven't done any videos in quite a while because I was really busy with my school. We were having exams actually. But today, this experiment is so exciting. We are going to be doing the fizz. It's going to like fizzy and so fun for kids. So yeah, let's get started. Let me take you for the ingredients. So we are only using like 4 ingredients. We have baking soda or baking powder, you can call it anything, 3 food colorings or food dye, vinegar, clear vinegar to be specific, and dishwash soap, and some containers of your choice of which type of shape you want them to be or anything. Oh wait, you're recording? No, guys, you saw nothing. So first we're gonna start by adding some vinegar. You can see the quantity of the cup. So now a few drops of food coloring. Oh, well, that was quite a lot, but that's alright. This is... Alright guys, time for the big finale. Okay, so we're gonna take your baking soda or baking powder and you're gonna put around 2 spoons. Ooh, it's fizzing! We are gonna add a little more because that was half a spoon.
Wow, that
And later you will actually see
cool.
You will actually see it fizzing up by itself.
Okay.
So we're adding into this, which was supposed to be yellow. Woo.
This is so beautiful.
The baking soda on the top hasn't gone in.
So you just put in.
Actually, it will go in by itself later. Let's do the big one, the big monster. I'm excited. Wow! One more. And, okay, that's good enough. Wow.
That's so cool.
I didn't notice it. Guys, it's going up there. It's so nice. Look at the color with the, it looks like a lava included with a yellow. Like, that's so cool. At first I was like, huh, this food coloring looks orange. But really, it is not orange. It's yellow. Like, that's so cool.
Wow, that's so cool.
Guys, the green one is starting to fizz also. It's so cool. If you, guys, yours doesn't fizz, try to take your spoon and kind of mix it, and then it will start fizzing. That's what we did. We're gonna speed up the reactions. Ooh. I see you. And you look like a tall-headed person. Ooh. Guys, it's rising up. I'm becoming the president. No, I'm just kidding.
Wow, that's so cool experiment.
Oh, there was actually food dye at the bottle. It was stuck there, and it actually mixed in with the fizzing that is rising. Fizzing, rising, kinda rhyming, huh? Fizzing, rising, rhyming. It sounds kind of weird. Well, I'm not tall enough eventually. Okay guys, so now we're going for the second experiment. So we are going to add some vinegar into your bottle or whatever you're using. So we're gonna put inside the glass also. Yeah. We're just gonna get it all in. It was glass, so I had to be kind of careful with it. So, okay, so we're gonna be using different type of like shapes or materials. So I'm using a glove and a balloon, and you're gonna be placing it on top of your container later. You're gonna be putting some baking soda into your balloon and it will just blow. That is because of the gas. Which gas can you think of? It's carbon dioxide that will fill up the balloon. So that is because vinegar is acidic. So when it reacts with baking soda, it actually makes carbon dioxide gas. Okay, so now we're gonna put in the baking soda inside our balloon. Well, that's all right, and one more. Yeah, that's all right. Kind of made a mess. So
Now we're gonna put it on the bottle itself.
Yeah. So it's kind of like messing around everywhere, but that's all right because that's the fun. Ooh. Guys, the balloon is blowing bigger and bigger slowly. It looks so nice.
Wow, that's cool.
It looks like a potato shape. Potato.
Okay, now we are trying
To
another
put-
shape, right?
Yeah, we're putting inside the glove.
Okay.
Time to
So
put-
messy.
But that's the fun. Now we're gonna drop in the baking soda. Oh, it's inside the fingers. That's kind of fun to touch. Oh, that is so cool. Oh wow, it's blowing. Looks funny.
Wow, funny.
This is my favorite one. Well, it's kind of coming off. Can I eat it? Well, no. Otherwise I'll have a stomachache.